Pokemon Crystal has always held a special place in my mind. It was when Pokemon moved for the first time, and we still believed that Mew 3 might actually exist. Today, there are parts of this game most have not touched, lending it a sense of mystique. I picked up this cartridge from a store in Hiroshima. I actually walked for over an hour and a half to get this. I had some very profound things to say when I got there.
Fuck, I wish I had my keys on me.
But as I perused through the aisles of second-hand electronics, I came across these 4 games. One poor financial decision later, I was now the proud owner of this little collection. But before we can dive in and start reliving nostalgic memories, we have one small problem. As I'm sure some of you are aware, the Game Boy and Game Boy Color games store their saves in volatile memory. Volatile memory requires power to maintain stored information, so the engineers at Nintendo provided a 3-volt battery to maintain power. Of course, we all understand that batteries drain over time, and these batteries are no exception. I could only imagine the eager trainers returning to their old cartridges only to find hundreds of hours erased. While there was a note on some of the cartridges explaining the batteries had been replaced, I could not trust this. I don't know when the batteries were replaced, I don't know how long these items have been sitting on the shelves, and everything was in Japanese. So, to avoid this fate, we must dive into our cartridges and replace these batteries. This should be a very straightforward process. However, I have never soldered anything in my life, and I am prone to bouts of stupidity from time to time. Both of these things will become very apparent as the video continues. A cotton bud and a bit of isopropyl alcohol is used to clean the cartridge as well as the PCB. Using a combination of flux and wick, I intend to remove the solder holding the battery contacts in place. In hindsight, I could have simply removed the battery by applying the soldering iron to each of the terminals and applying a slight upward force. In fact, this is how I remove the battery later in the video.
Just try and lift it. There we go. Okay, so lightly touch the pad. Ideal. That is such a cool looking thing. I'll make sure it's as solid of a contact as I can reasonably get it. I'll have to do.
No!
For those who have noticed, yes, those battery terminals are connected in the wrong direction. No, I did not notice at the time, and yes, I am stupid.
That's... Alright, let's see if the... Oh god, let's see if the case even fits on. Fuck, I hadn't even thought about that. Oh, what if this doesn't fit and I've just like bought shitloads of batteries for... Okay, it fits. Hands are a bit shaky from the nerves. We're going to load into the game and actually create a save file. Am I a boy or a girl? We're Crystal. Yeah. Oh.
Later.
So maybe like one of the battery contacts isn't like fully seated. Just gonna need to make sure it's working. Fuck. Alright, I gotta know. I gotta know. I think it's like, yeah, it's already got working batteries. I had the terminals on the wrong way. It matches this battery, but the top part is negative and the bottom part is positive, whereas the positive part of this one is that side. So I need to desolder it. I need to just take this. Oh, fuck me. Melt, you bastard. There we go. Okay, well, I did a little bendy, so hopefully that's good enough to actually make contact. Well, remember when I said it needs to be flatter? Jesus Christ, that was so fucking true. Call me Crystal, probably. God damn it. Yay! Fuck me.
So, in summary, I have gained some soldering experience. A lot more than expected. I have also discovered that my true identity is that of a Japanese girl called Crystal. With the battery replaced, this game should have another 10 years of life left in it. Join me next time where I will attempt to replace the remaining crystal batteries. I also plan to replace a battery with an existing save file. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you wish to see more in the future. Thank you.